What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Floki, which has gone for a major increase in value, not just in the last 24 hours, but as you guys can see over the last week or two, it has pumped up quite a bit. And in the last 24 hours itself, it has pumped up over 100%, guys. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Floki. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to take a little dip anytime soon? Because more or less it has been consistently hitting green days for the last 10 days, except on the 29th of Feb. However, it wasn't much of a dip. So we're going to be looking at, if you are looking to invest into it, is it way too late? Or if you already have invested into it and are on a profit right now, which most of you guys should be because it is at its highest point it has ever been at. Is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, how high can this crypto go? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Floki, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, there is a major difference in value between the purple and the green one, meaning the crypto may be overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a dip over the coming hours or days, but we will get into that later on. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Reason is it has taken a little bit of a dip, as you guys can see. So the graph is essentially expecting a minimal drop in value from Floki over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, over the next couple of hours, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, hitting more green candles before it starts hitting red candles around this evening to in the early hours of tomorrow, dropping down in value to a lower value than where it is at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, we've got the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, and the blue line is slanting towards the negative direction, looking quite bearish. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Floki? According to the graph, is an overall fluctuation in value. However, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Floki over the next 7 to 8 days. So by the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. But let me go in a little bit more detail. I am expecting it to take a little bit of a dip by early to mid next week, guys. So hitting red candles for about 2 to 3 days, because it is quite overvalued right now, especially with the major pump that's taking place. It is more than likely going to go through a little price correction early next week, so dropping at a lower value than where it is at the moment, and then slowly starting to gain value by mid to end of next week, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm expecting from Floki. Now, moving on to the daily chart, this is not realistic at all. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, and again, reason it's not realistic is because both the lines are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So according to the graph, the crypto is meant to keep pumping in value at that pace over the coming weeks. However, that is not the case. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late April 2024, Floki should essentially have dropped back down in value is what I'm expecting. Reason being is, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, the crypto, from my predictions, is overvalued and is likely to go for a price correction. By mid to late March, start dropping in value, and by April it should be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, once it goes for a price correction, dropping all the way back down to around 0.00004 cents, so this value here, it should slowly start to increase in value. But the main point is that it is going to go for a price correction. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Floki to keep you guys updated on, what my predictions are and any updates that come across that can have an impact on its value, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we have literally broken out from the red zone on the 23rd of February, which was just about 10 days ago, into the green zone and all the way up into the top tier level here. And as you guys can see, yes, at this resistance level it did resist, and so it did here at the red one as well. However, after that, over here it did not resist at all, and even here it did not resist at all. So that is another reason why it's proving my point as to why the crypto is overvalued and is not sustainable. So more than likely, from my prediction, it is likely to drop back down into the green zone by mid to late March, and potentially back into the red zone early April, and then slowly start to gain value by mid to late April and May as well. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up nearly about 1,200%, guys, in the last 24 hours, making it just under $1.4 billion in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason being is it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance by far, and has gained over 100% in the, not just in the last 24 hours, over the week over 240%, and over the month 330%, which means, yes guys, it has been a trend in crypto and has gained a lot of attention from the crypto market, from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning a lot more people are actually trading the crypto, which in return it is also helping the value of Floki pump up even higher. So this is my take and my prediction. A lot of people have been saying it is likely to get rid of 1.0 over the coming weeks and months, hitting 0.001 cents, which I am not expecting from Floki anytime soon. Not this year anyway. I'm not expecting it to pump up that high. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Floki to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.